I'm not recording.
What's that?
Wait, is it recording?
This is Amber trying to get a cake.
Well, hello, Miss Lowell. How have you been?
I'm fine. I don't know why you put icing on a hot cake.
I didn't think about that.
I know, it's supposed to be in the fridge first. Then you put the ice in.
It's supposed to wait a while.
Yeah, that's why. Like that's what a cooling can's for.
I thought you know Amber. It's gonna be bad for the cup of this then. Oh, child.
I might take it off.
No, they're gonna find you. No.
Hey, that one?
Alright, that's just some gay hot
You
guys.
don't miss Lowell. I mean, Amber.
No, they'll know.
You can tell it's all even.
Here, you'll be able to buy alcohol. And then we can buy a bottle of Patron, and